Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install 7-Zip on your computer. It's actually very easy to install. It's very easy to just get up and running, and it's a great alternative to WinRAR if you don't want to have WinRAR on your computer. First of all, you want to go into your favorite browser. For me, it's going to be Edge. And you want to go to the URL 7-zip.org. This is their official website. Any other may be a ripoff website or may not be as trusted. What you will want to do is choose your operating system right here. It will spit you out to this right from entering. So we will want to download, at least me, I have a 64-bit system and I have Windows, so the .exe will do. So I will download the link. This will probably not pop up for you. It's just free download manager. You can download as well. And you will just want to, now you choose your destination where to install. I recommend putting it in program files as it does by default, as it is a very small program. So just hit install. And just like that, 7-Zip is installed and we can check it out. If I type 7-Zip file manager, there it is. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and let me know if you want more videos like this. And sayonara.